This is going to be a really quick review of what we learned in Google Keep Part 1, just a quick review of some of the features. I'm here in my Drive, and to access my Google Keep app, I'm going to go over here to my Waffle. And here I have Google Keep. I actually moved it up. It was down here, and I have moved it up to here. So we'll go ahead and open that up. Just takes a moment. There we go. All right, so just a few quick reminders. If you had a lot of different notes that you'd taken, you can search for those like you do in Drive. Kind of has that same interface look that you have when you're in your Google Drive or your Google Mail. You can search for notes that way. Just remember this little main menu feature here that just opens and closes your left-hand navigation bar. This obviously is a refresh button. This changes your look from list view to, I guess we would call that grid view. I kind of prefer that look actually. There's that waffle if you want to access any other apps. And then you've got your G Suite training. Like if you had a question about how to do something, if you've added that extension, you should see this little icon, and this is a really good place to go if you wanted to figure out something that you're trying to do in Google Keep. All right, so other reminders when you want to add a note. I'll do something real quick here. We'll say doctor's appointment. And you can color code those. We talked about that before. The other thing that I really encouraged you to do in part 1 was to add it to a label. And you can think of labels like folders, but they call these labels. Just by clicking Add Label, you can pick one that you've already got, or you can add a new one right from this little pop-up menu. I'm going to put that in Personal. And then once you've got that done, you click Done, and you can see that that is now in Personal. So that's just kind of the real quick look at what we were doing. You can add labels from here. So let's say, for example, I wanted to add one for, I don't know, how about digital literacy? I'll call it digital literacy. And click Done, and that will show up over here now too. So that, like I said, just a real quick look. In part 2, we're going to move on and look at some other features. And so stay tuned, more later.